Good evening from the City of Love, Philippines. Join me as I get the reaction of some Ilonggos, how they react to the saying, Iloilo, Ilonggas are guwapa. Join me!
Siyempre, agree kay basta Ilongga, gwapa, alam, kag, malambing, maghambal.
Yay! Thank you, Poy!
I don't agree kay positive and negative. Positive kay because kita magid ang pinakagwapa or negative kay dugi na tanga kailangan tapos ang validation na gwapa ka.
Really? But you see, love is beautiful. And you know, Iloilo is City of Love and Love is her name. See? Thank you, Love. As a mother, I am proud to hear someone called me, "Wow, Mommy, you're beautiful." Oh, it fills my heart. Because you see, if you will be called beautiful, wow, you feel confident, you feel lovely, and you feel very loved by someone. This is true. Yan, gusto mo tawagon Ilongga gwapa? Okay. And this is helpful to all women. This is women empowerment if you will be called beautiful. Even if you are not Ilonggo, as long as you will be called beautiful, it feels good to yourself. Is it? So, don't jealous. To all mothers or to all women who is not Ilonggo, Ilongga, don't worry. Not only Ilongga is beautiful, all of us are beautiful. Would you agree? So, from now on, just feel beautiful within yourself. Beautiful inside and beautiful outside. See? To all Ilonggas out there, be thankful because you are beautiful. Hello sa mga Ilongga da, kundiin man ka mo subong. Either ari ka mo sa Iloilo, sa iban nga country, o kundiin man ka mo nga sulok kakalibutan. Be proud nga Ilonggo kita. Kag be proud nga ginatawag kita nga guwapa. Salamat gid sa nagatawag mo na. Kay pati ako proud gid ko kay pati ako dalana na. See, basta Ilongga, guwapa. O bisan ano edad mo, bisan halin ka sa bata asa sa tigulang basta gahambal nga Ilongga, guwapa na ya tanan. So, sa tanan nga Ilongga, congratulations. Guwapa gid kita ya tanan. I am open for your suggestion. If you want to suggest something to be our content, this content today is just for fun. This is not intended nga ma-offend ng iban nga not Ilongga. This is just for fun. So, why?
Because my sister is nice and she's beautiful and she is a beautiful lady and my aunties are a beautiful ladies as well.
Appear na ka mo. Appear Ilongga gwapa. Appear.
I agree. Kay damo ko kilala nga Ilongga nga gwapa. Kag gwapa is subjective term, so lain-lain man ang description kag pag-una-una sa kadaysa. So overall tanan gwapa.
Thank you for watching. Please like,
Comment.
Share
and subscribe.
Shout out to all my viewers who are always watching and following my channel. For watching. See you on my next vlog. Hope you enjoy. Mwah! From the City of Love, Iloilo, Philippines. Mga kapalpakan as a vlogger. You will enjoy watching this one. Mahirap po maging vlogger. Tingnan nyo mga kapalpakan ko. Paulit-ulit yung pusing-pusing mo kung saan ka maganda, kung saan ka komportable. Shout out to all my viewers who are always watching and following my channel. Ay, Magi ka. pang mga distractions. Napuputol-putol pa yung vlog mo. Shout out to all my viewers shout out to all my viewers who are always watching and following my channel. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. See you on my next vlog. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. See you on my next vlog. See, kahit ending message na hindi ko ma-perfect, paulit-ulit si ako. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Hope you enjoy. Mwah! From the City of Love, Iloilo, Philippines.